In this video, we are going to show you how to get 3 months of WebinarJam Basic for under $100. Now, WebinarJam is a cloud-based webinar and video streaming platform specifically designed for marketers, course creators, and businesses. Now, if you want to get 3 months of WebinarJam Basic for $99, that is pretty much 2 months for free, right? All you need to do is click on the link that we have provided in the description below. And here on this page, you need to click on Get Started over here, like so. This will appear, this pop-up, wait for it to load. All you need to do is enter your name, last name, course, your email, like so, where you're from. If you are a business, click on I'm a registered business, and then click on continue. It's going to bring you to the cart over here. As you can see, first 3 months, 99. So that's 2 months for free. Click continue again. And then you're going to be brought to the payment here. So you can choose either your credit or debit card or Google Pay if you so choose. Click I'm not a robot, of course, and then submit payment, and you will be good to go. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.